Cable 7 Mystery Theater presents a special film. Who ate my egg roll? Starring Ben the Max Wolkamir and Josh Fox.
I can't wait until it's done. This is good. Oh boy, can't wait to have my... Oh my God. It's gone. Why? Why? Wait, my egg roll. Damn it. God. Did you eat my egg roll? I don't know. Damn it, I want the truth. You can't handle the truth. Look, I know there are walls in this world, and people have to guard those walls, and they risk their lives every day, and they like to eat egg rolls too. Well, that's no excuse to take it.
Sorry, I was just hungry.
Just don't understand. You'll never understand.
Next week, stay tuned for Who Ate My Fortune Cookie, only on Cable 7 Mystery Theater.
Who ate my fortune cookie? It's just not fair, man.
Sunday night on Cable 7, Who Ate My Egg Roll? Followed by Who Ate My Fortune Cookie? Then at 9 p.m., join us for the best in hillbilly soccer as the Watertown Rednecks will take on the Palmyra Morons. It could be a bloodbath, folks. Both sides is packing cornbread.